Welcome to Rhythm School. In this video, we'll take a quick look at the essential foot techniques for playing the drum set. Playing heel down on the bass drum produces a quieter tone and helps with posture, especially for beginners. Keep the beater bouncing and your toes on the pedal for control. Heel up technique on the bass drum delivers more power. Keep your foot away from the chain while bouncing the beater. For a more compressed sound, play heel up by burying the beater into the drum head. Hi-hat techniques. Practice playing the hi-hat pedal heel down for a clean, crisp chick sound. Heel up on the hi-hat is similar to burying the bass drum beater. Push the pedal quickly and firmly. The heel toe technique is favored by jazz players. Play beats 1 and 3 on the heel and beats 2 and 4 on the toe.